Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. It is Friday night. Matter of fact, it's the Friday before my birthday. My birthday is in 2 days, Sunday, March 14th. So I guess I'm making my birthday cake. But I am making my absolutely favorite cake of all time tonight, just for my birthday. I'm making a lemon Bundt cake. It's going to be lemon in here 3 ways. And I'm going to show y'all the process as I go through. It's going to be lemon in the batter. It's going to be lemon in the you know, I use a simple syrup on that. It's going to be lemon in that. It's going to be lemon in the glaze. And I'm going to put some lemon zest on top of the glaze. So we're going to have lemon everywhere. I absolutely love lemon cakes. I love lemon cake, lemon pie, lemon cookies. Anything lemon in a dessert, I love it. Lemon cookies, them Girl Scout cookies they got out right now, them lemon ones, shoot, that's my weakness. So anyway, let's get started here. Every Friday night I do a cake, and this is going to be the cake of the week right here. Like I do every cake, most cakes. You're going to cream the butter and sugar together, add the eggs, add the liquids. This time we're going to do a little bit differently. I'm going to add the liquids, I'm going to fold in the flour. So, cream the butter and sugar. Look. Very simple, y'all. So I'm going to step off here, y'all, and let this here cream. It's going to take about 3 or 4 minutes. I want to get this light and fluffy, and then I'm going to add my eggs, and then we'll be right to the next step. We'll be right back in 1 second. Okay, y'all, we back. I'm going to add the eggs. Okay, we're going to scrape down the bowl here, of course. This cake going to be nice, fluffy, and moist, y'all. Nice, moist, and fluffy here. Okay, now I'm going to add all my liquids to this. Add my vanilla, lemon juice, my milk. Like I say, I'm doing a little bit differently, y'all, than I normally do. I usually alternate the dry and the wet, but today I'm going to do it differently for this because I want it to be very, very moist. And I'm going to add a little lemon compound, y'all, to this. This here is some stuff you can get in the specialty stores like Williams-Sonoma. It's just lemon paste. You can get it like from Williams-Sonoma. You can get it from Macy's. Bed Bath & Beyond has it. It just makes it more lemony. Okay, now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold in my flour, y'all. I'm going to fold my flour in here. That's going to ensure that it's going to be very, very moist. Fold it in with my spatula. Just like this. There we go. That way I can control, I don't have a tough cake. And right at the end, y'all, I'm gonna add my lemon zest in here. I didn't do it when I did the mixers because they tend to get stuck on the mixers. So the lemon zest I'm gonna fold in right at the end. Right at the end. And this will ensure, make sure y'all can see what I'm doing here. Yeah. This will ensure and guarantee that I have a moist cake. And it's not gonna be tough when I fold it in. I don't do every cake like that, but this one I do. Okay. And just pour this into the pan here. Okay. I'm gonna drop that on the floor here. Over here. Okay. This batter in there right here. See, ain't nothing cooperating with me today, y'all. Hold on just a second. Okay. This thing over here, right? It's this way. This one in here. Here. Should get it perfectly in there, y'all. Like I say, I want this cake to come out perfect. You can just smell the lemon in here, y'all. You can just smell that lemon in here. And I just spread it around here. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the oven 350 degrees. Takes about 45 minutes. And when it come out, we're gonna have that hot simple syrup to put on it. We're gonna make holes in it. I'll show you the process. The lemon simple syrup, and when it cools, we're gonna put the glaze on there, lemon glaze. So that's pretty much it. So we'll be right back when it's ready. All right, y'all, we are back. Look what happened to my cake, y'all. I guess it happens to the best of us. It stuck a little in the middle, but you know what? We're going to keep on and keep on with it. So anyway, I'm going to still finish it off. First thing I'm going to do, y'all remember I'm going to make this glaze here to go in the middle of it. I'm going to take a little lemon juice, mix it with powdered sugar, like a half a cup of lemon juice, y'all. I mean half a cup of powdered sugar, I'm sorry. We're going to stir it up, and I'm going to put it in the microwave and get it really, really hot. This one I'm not going to cook on the stove. I'm going to put it in the microwave. A bit more. I'm going to make a liquid out of it, y'all. Put it in the microwave here. 1 minute. Hold on just a second here. Yeah, I can't believe my cake stuck, y'all. Can you believe that? Happens to the best of us. So while that's doing that, I'm gonna poke holes in this. So I'm gonna do this anyway, so the glaze gonna go in there a little bit anyway, because I got a crack in my cake, y'all. It ain't gonna make no difference. My cake is definitely moist. See here. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do? Take that hot glaze, brush it over. You can brush it over. You can see what we're gonna do here. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna let all that go in the crevices of this cake. See that? That's gonna be all lemony there, y'all. All nice and lemony. Just look over the little crack there, y'all. It's driving me crazy because cake never sticks on me. That's the first time for everything. It's stuck. I've had cake stick on me. I'm not gonna say that, but it's been a while. So all that is lemon juice, y'all, and powdered sugar. I brought it hot, put it inside that. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this cake cool pretty much completely, and I'm gonna come back. Now I'm gonna put this together right now. All this is lemon juice too. Mix it with the powdered sugar. We're gonna make a glaze to go on top of the cake. Like I told you, y'all, we're gonna have lemon everywhere today on this cake. Y'all know a little liquor goes a long way on powdered sugar. And that's it. When this cake cool completely, we're gonna put this glaze on there. And I still got a little lemon zest left. We're gonna spread the rest of that lemon glaze, the lemon zest on there. And we're gonna have a nice, ooh, this thing is so moist. I guess that's why it broke. Because it's so moist when it's coming out of the pan. But anyway, we'll be back here in about maybe 30 minutes or so. Finish this cake off and get a big slice. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we're going to finish the cake off here. We're going to put this glaze on here. The glaze that I mixed up here. Very easy, y'all. Go around here just like this. And I got it thick. Well, I got it too thick, huh? Slowly but surely it's going to, go down to the sides. A little bit more. There we go. Just let gravity do its job, y'all. Let gravity do its job. Okay, I got a couple more things I need to do to this. Okay, we're gonna put our lemon zest on here that I had left. Lemon zest on here. And I'm gonna put a little bit more powdered sugar on it, y'all. Just like this. Just like that. That's my lemon cake, y'all, that I love. Okay, let me clean up here. Clean up here, y'all. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this cake set. I like to let it set up and let the icing really go all the way down the sides. And once it go all the way down the sides and finish flowing, I'm gonna come back and we're gonna slice a little bit of this lemon cake and we're gonna see how it tastes. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, we're gonna cut this cake here and see how it come out here. I know it split on me. So we're gonna see how it is gonna be good even though it's stuck on me. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Okay, let's try this out. Still moist, y'all. Very moist. And lemony. Y'all know it's lemony. Y'all know that, don't you? I got lemon on the inside. Lemon on the inside twice. I got the lemon zest in there. And the icing. Ain't no wrong, y'all. Even though it's stuck on me a little, hey, it's still good. So anyway, another Friday night cake in the books. And this is my favorite cake for my birthday. But anyway, we're going to close out this video. Like I close every video out, please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2021 help somebody old school soul food. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day. See y'all next video. Bye.